General Caleb Akandwanaho, popularly known as Salim Saleh, paid rich tribute to Lieutenant General Charles Otema Awany, describing him as one of Uganda's greatest military commanders following Otema's formal retirement from active service after 47 years in uniform. The farewell took place at the Kirema School of Research in Semuto, Nakaseke District, where both veteran officers reflected on Otema's long career and mapped out his planned transition into civilian economic leadership. Saleh praised the former commander of the reserve force for combining operational courage with calculated discipline, noting that Otema's analytical and deliberate decision-making in high-stakes environments consistently delivered vital results for the Uganda People's Defense Forces. Saleh explicitly acknowledged the heavy personal cost and family risk Otema endured through his military journey, which spanned major staff appointments, logistic leadership, counter-insurgency operations against the Lord's Resistance Army in northern Uganda, and regional deployments in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Emphasizing that security serves as the foundation for socio-economic progress, Saleh encouraged Otema to direct his leadership skills toward wealth creation and regional transformation. To support this next chapter, Saleh provided Otema with strategic investment literature detailing opportunities in commercial agriculture, land utilization, and mineral development across Uganda, including specific economic blueprints tailored for the Chule sub-region. The transition marks a deliberate shift for Otema, who announced plans to return home to invest in large-scale farming, animal husbandry, and hospitality. Both commanders highlighted the importance of platforms like Kirema for encouraging dialogue, peace building, and economic planning to improve local livelihoods across northern Uganda. Otema was among a landmark cohort of 19 senior general officers, including former Chief of Defense Forces General Edward Katumba Wamala, who officially retired from active during a status ceremony presided over President Yoweri Museveni service. The sign-off reflects a broader generational shift within the military hierarchy as veteran commanders transition their focus from defense and national security toward driving Uganda's civil, military, economic transformation initiatives.